I'll admit, I hate traveling because that means I have to get on one of these, and I am terribly afraid of heights. Thankfully, I found the best travel accessories that won't help my anxiety whatsoever. So let's check it out. I recently started testing this ORBITGear Overshirt jacket and instantly knew it makes the perfect travel jacket. Allow me to explain. First off, it just looks sleek. Matte black everything because you're obviously a spy, with small design details you didn't know you needed, like YKK AquaGuard water sealed pocket zippers, this performance cotton that's insanely soft, comfortable, and weatherproof, combined with the Velcro adjustable cuffs, means you don't have to worry about getting caught in the rain or just wiping off any dirt or stains in a jiffy. Secondly is just the amount of pockets and the layout of them too. Starting with the four chest pockets, 2 of them water sealed and large enough to fit my full hand for reference, but also perfectly sized for a phone as well. Then underneath these flaps are another layer of pockets on top, about just as large and great for earphones, masks, and sunglasses too. But then, wha-bam, hidden away. Next up, you have standard front pockets that are quite large, covering the bottom half of the jacket. Plenty of room for your essentials and gear you need quickly. To top it off, a tiny zippered sleeve pocket, because at this point, why the heck not? Plus, if not in use, it doesn't bulge out or look tacky either. All that gear stored away, and it still just looks like a fancy dress shirt. However, the party doesn't end there, because like any spy, your best gadgets are stored on the inside. They've designed it so that the outer pockets themselves also double as a pouch on the inside, which is great if you didn't carry a bag with you, so you're able to keep your passports and cash hidden away. And because it's symmetrical, you get the same goodies on the opposite side as well. Then don't forget the aesthetic details, like this simple and clean collar that keeps this jacket and you looking fresh. But it isn't over yet, because around back is the real moneymaker. If you sweat as much as I do, then you understand the value of having air holes, and it doesn't get any bigger of a hole than being able to completely unzip your whole rear end. Just imagine having t-shirts that aren't completely soaked by the end of the day. Dreams do come true. Better yet, if it gets too hot to handle, they include an elastic jacket strap on the inside, so you can just wear the whole damn thing like a bag, freeing up your other hands for more important things, like carrying your girlfriend's jacket instead. Seriously, it's the all-in-one jacket if you don't plan on carrying a bag with you, and given how much detail and thought goes into every single pocket, I would argue it's actually one of the more affordable technical jackets available, and probably the best looking one as well. For context, I'm 5'11", 210 pounds, wearing a large, and it fits perfectly. Thanks to the partner of this video, Friedrik, we've got one of the fanciest looking, feeling, and functioning carry-ons without having to pay outrageously fancy price tags. By no means is this budget friendly, but here are the 5 reasons I think it's worth breaking open your piggy bank for. First, when paired with the durable hardshell design, well, not only do you have a luggage that looks good, but continues to look that way thanks to the durable metal frame providing a rigid structure to withstand even the best looking feet pics. Combine that with the thick Italian leather accents that are just asking to be scratched, as it only looks better over time, because it just gives the luggage some character and to also let everyone around you know you mean business. But then there's the second reason. When combined with these Japanese Hinomoto spinner wheels, it rides smoother than butter on hot toast, whether you're rolling around indoors, chasing down your Uber, or on a wild adventure. They live up to the title of being the gold standard for wheels. Now the third reason, this new Carry-On Pro includes a front hard shell pocket, built with the same durability as the rest of the bag and secured shut with a full double zipper. It's got a dedicated laptop pocket with a Velcro closure, so you can breeze through bag check and just have one less thing to worry about when you're rushing to stuff into a giant flying metal tube. Plus, with the additional sleeve pockets in front, you can also have your wires, chargers, notebooks, and your EDC ready in a jiffy. The fourth reason, and honestly enough reason alone, are the dual locking clips. There's combination locks on both to stay extra secure, but then, well, bam, just a simple squeeze to open and a single finger to push close. Worth every single penny. Finally, what the bag is intended for, the storage space inside offers 43 liters of space with dual compression straps built in. Pair it with your 4-piece packing cube set to stay organized with its mesh tops, fitting precisely within the space without sacrificing any room, and feeling good that it's made of recycled material. But obviously, you can customize the large open space to exactly how you like to hoard on the go as well. To top it all off, as a bonus reason, hidden inside the center pockets is this USB cable. Simply plug in your favorite battery pack inside the luggage, because when closed shut, hidden under the handlebar are dual USB ports that allow you to stay charged while you patiently wait for them to announce it's finally time to board. So if you're looking for one less reason to ruin your next vacation, pick up an actually reliable luggage with the link in the description down below. One thing I always take with me traveling, a proper sling. And for me, it's the Alpaka Atom X sling, which if I had to describe it in a single sentence, is like a much cooler and hip money purse. It's built with durability and waterproofing in mind, so you don't have to worry about actually taking it out and tossing it around. It's got wide and adjustable seat belt like straps that are comfy even over long periods, and paired with my favorite, Fidlock magnetic buckles, because having them just takes any bag to the next level when everything just clicks into place auto-magically. Now, it is a thin bag, not meant to carry your water bottles or hordes of souvenirs, but that's also the beauty of it, with a quick access front pocket for your tissues and essentials on the go, and a main pocket that's just as tight, but wide enough to store passports, cash, documents, and other devices. Basically, anything flat and super important can fit inside. Like I said, it's simple, and really why it's worth it, because of this. When fully packed, the whole bag sits tightly against your body. It doesn't stick out or look like you're even carrying a bag under a jacket, and no matter how hard you go on the dance floor, it dances right alongside with you. So if you want to stay discreet, not look like you're trying to hide anything with a large locked up bag, then this is my go-to solution to top it off in this day and age. It doesn't hurt to have a dedicated zipper around back that I use as a mass pocket just in case. It's secure, slim, and lightweight. The must-have features for when you're halfway around the world. This is probably what your bag looks like. You've got a charger for every screen, camera, and vibrating device you bring with you. So thankfully, there's this. The Zendure Passport III, a universal charger and converter that offers up to 65 watts of power. Basically, it's 6 chargers built into one. As a converter, it's got 3 plugs built in, giving you the ability to charge your devices in over 200 countries. Plus, it also just doubles as a very addicting fidget slider too. Along the bottom is where the magic happens though. 3 USB-C ports with an old school port just in case. Fully loaded, you won't get a max charge out of every port, but essentially you'll have a charging hub built into this tiny box that will work almost anywhere you go. It works for your iPads, GoPros, phones, and personal pleasure devices too. However, its main seller is this single USB port on the side, offering an output of 65 watts, enough to charge an actual MacBook, which makes it a great backup option, or even if you wanted to ditch that extra brick as well. But just take in that you get a converter and full USB charging hub in a package as tall as a credit card, although it's slightly thicker, but everything tucks away when not in use, so you don't have to deal with those damn prongs poking into your bag or luggage. It makes fitting into any tech pouch a breeze. I can't be the only one that does this, as when I travel, I switch wallets, because there are too many documents and cards to have to carry with you, and being in a different country, I want to make sure I don't lose any of them either. While Bellroy has dedicated travel wallets, I'm a big fan of their Folio mini wallet, simply because it's secure like a travel wallet without actually looking like you're a complete tourist. However, it's pretty nifty on the inside as well. Once popped open, you've got your standard card slots on both sides, easily fitting up to 4 cards comfortably in each, and even your daily essentials. But it's this center compartment that honestly is just fun to play with. Thanks to the magnetic closure, it can store coins, keys, and other small goods inside without having to worry about them sliding out or getting lost within your wallet, while still being super easy to pinch open and just grab what you need on the fly. Personally, I also like to dedicate the other side to different currencies, which then means I've got everything everything I need to ensure that I can afford a coffee no matter where I am in the world. Now, it definitely isn't the cheapest travel wallet, but you get what you pay for in quality as well, something Bellroy is known for, whether it be their eco-tan leather, very secure zip closure, or just the clean craftsmanship around the whole wallet. Add to that the fact it doesn't completely flop open, instead opening like a folder is major key so prying eyes around you don't get any funny ideas. The best part for me though, it's small and durable enough that if you wanted this to be your daily wallet at home, it totally could pass as one, especially considering even with a full-on zipper, it fits into your front pocket without looking like you're always happy to see me. If you live and breathe all things Apple, then you know the struggle of traveling with an Apple Watch. That's why this Mophie 3-in-1 travel charger is a must-have if you carry the holy trinity wherever you go: iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. Because in this surprisingly soft and thick wool pouch has everything you need to get up and running every single morning. This may be the only charger you need to take with you. That's all thanks to this oddly fancy looking fold-out book, because when opened, wha-bam! A single cable is all you need to power all three, so you can slap down your Apple Watch, iPhone, and AirPods when you call it a day and never have to worry if you remember to charge one or the other. What's even more fascinating is how they fit a max speed 15-watt MagSafe charger, Apple Watch puck, and separate wireless dock into such a slim and flexible design that also stores away into itself. However, the included wool pouch also keeps the wall adapter and cable in one place, so you can take this whole kit with you and know for certain you did not forget to bring that damn Apple Watch charging cable ever again. A must-have for any trip, storage for your hygiene items, and, well, mainly my toothbrush. This is the new AER Travel Kit 2, made with all the same great design we expect from AER, with 1680D Cordura nylon, YKK water sealed zippers, and just a rugged construction that you couldn't rip apart even if you tried. Being indestructible aside though, the point of a travel kit is to carry your stuff. And thankfully, this has plenty of pockets for you to do so, with a quick access front pocket for goodies on the fly, and a main fully folded out pocket, sporting a giant stretchy mesh pocket on one side, great for tissues and other soft items, paired with a deep and open pocket on the opposite end. The fact they include these elastic straps to tie things down to avoid it from slip and sliding around just goes to show the thoughtfulness they put into every aspect of this pouch. So you can store larger items alongside smaller items without losing track of where you last left it. Then, without wasting any space, the face of that pocket includes a flat zipper pocket for your daily essentials, with more plastic loops for irregular sized items as well. The best part is when you get to your destination, pull out the included hook and hang it on a towel rack or door handle, and you'll always have your 5-step face wash regime ready without fumbling around different bags or clogging up precious sink space. When done and zipped away, it fits easily into any luggage without having to worry about spillage or leaving anything behind after checking out. This next one was recommended on TikTok, and it's no cap. Tinderblox is a tiny board game stuffed into a tin box. Everything you need is included: instructions for the newbies, cards, wooden blocks, and these infuriating plastic tongs. The goal of the game is to build a fireplace without dropping any pieces. Sort of like Jenga, but backwards and at a fraction of the size. Each player draws a card telling them what pieces to use and in what pattern, then trying not to topple anything over, you simply place them on with the tongs. Then the first person to drop anything on the ground loses. And let me tell you, anyone with shaky hands will not fare well. The outcomes are endless, with each game being a new challenge, and the beauty is all of that fits into this tiny box, which is great for when your plane gets delayed for a third time, or while you're waiting for your girlfriend to finally get ready for dinner. Yeah, you can play alone. Check out the first travel accessory video we did here, and comment down below if I should do road trip accessories or summer accessories next. But that's it. The rest of my big case